Hello, welcome to Cook It Simple channel.
Today I'm going to make veg chapati roll. For this veg chapati roll, I've taken 2 medium size onion chopped in long shape, 1 cup of beans finely chopped, 1 capsicum chopped in long shape, 2 carrots grated, 1 cup of cabbage grated, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder and 1 teaspoon jeera powder. A small piece of cheese, coriander finely chopped, a few garlics finely chopped, 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. Now in a kadai, heat the oil and then add the onions. Now add the finely chopped garlic and then saute it well. Now I'm going to add the vegetables one by one. First I'm going to add grated carrot, capsicum, beans and finally cabbage. Now I'm going to saute it all together and I'm going to add required salt. I'll just saute it well and then close the lid for a few seconds. After a few seconds, I'll open it. The vegetables should not saute deeply. I'm going to add the chili powder and the garam masala. Now I'm going to add the pepper powder and the jeera powder. You can add the red chili powder and the pepper powder according to your spiciness. Now I'm going to put a little water. I'm not going to add too much water. I'm going to add only little water just so that the masalas will bind it well with the vegetables. That's all over. The vegetables should not be deeply cooked. Now finally I'm adding the chopped coriander in it. Now I've taken the prepared masala and then grated cheese and then the tomato sauce. I've already made a chapati and I'm going to prepare the stuffing now. Now I'm going to spread the tomato ketchup on one side of the chapati. Then I'm going to add the prepared veg masala. Now on top of it I will add some grated cheese in it. This dish is very healthy as well as very attractive. Your kids will like it. Now I'm going to roll the chapati. That's all over. Veg chapati roll is ready now. You can serve this to your kids.